Om is not just a word, not just a sound, but a powerful tool for inner alignment, mental clarity, and energy balance. Chanting or meditating on Om regularly is to harmonize the body, mind, and spirit, paving the way for deeper self-awareness and a calmer mental state. शब्द ओम सभी भारतीय धर्मों विशेष रूप से हिंदू धर्म, बौद्ध धर्म और जैन धर्म में एक पवित्र ध्वनि और आध्यात्मिक प्रतीक माना जाता है। यह ब्रह्म का प्रतीक है जो परम सत्य, अनंत, अपरिवर्तनीय और मानव की धारणा से परे है। So let's go to the spiritual journey of Om, the first letter of the universe. The word Om consists of three letters A, U, M. A stands for awakening or creation, like sunrise or the start of life. U. U stands for upholding or preservation. It is the sound of balance and growth. M. M stands for merging or transformation. It is the sound of peace when everything returns to silence. हे भगवान, मुझे कुछ याद क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? अब मैं क्या करूं? कल तो मेरा एग्जाम भी है। चिंता मत करो मेरे दोस्त, ये आंखें बंद करो, गहरी सांस लो और 3 बार ओम का उच्चारण करो। अरे वाह! अब तो मेरा मन एकदम शांत और ताजा लग रहा है। अब तो मैं पूरे ध्यान के साथ पढ़ाई कर सकता हूँ। Exactly. This is the power of Om. It turns stress into calmness. According to science, when we chant Om, our body vibrates at 432 Hz. It is the same frequency as the universe. That's why chanting Om brings calmness, focus, and inner joy. It is both spiritual and scientific. Now, Jasmine, we will practice chanting Om 21 times along with 21 auto suggestions, or you can say positive affirmations. But why do we chant Om 21 times? Why not more or less than this? Actually, the number 21 is not taken randomly for the chanting of Om. It has spiritual, scientific, and psychological significance. We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 organs of action. We have 5 visual energy, means the pranas. We have 5 sheath, the koshas, and one soul, that is the Atma. When we chant Om 21 times, our each part gets purified and energized. 21 times chant help us to form a powerful habit. Psychologically, when we repeat something 21 times, it begins to impress our subconscious mind. Like if I repeat, I will speak only kind words. I will speak only kind words 21 times daily. Our mind starts believing and acting on it automatically. The number 21 has a special spiritual value in Indian tradition. In many Hindu rituals and yogic practices, 21 is considered as a complete and sacred number, representing the totality of creations and balance between all energies, like 21 namaskars in Surya Namaskar. 21 stands equal to the balance of 3 winds and 7 chakras. The 3 winds are body, mind, and soul, and 7 energy centers, chakras. So, 21 home chants awaken and balance all 7 chakras across all levels of our being. 21वां चैंटिंग मन को शांत और एकाग्र करती है। इससे ध्यान की गहराई बढ़ती है और थकान नहीं होती। So now we will chant Om 21 times along with 21 positive auto suggestion. So let's close our eyes and take a deep breath. When I chant Om first time, I give a positive affirmation to myself that we will see only what is good. When I chant Om second time, I motivate myself that I will only smell what is pleasant and pure. When I chant for the third time, I make mental intention to eat only sattvic food. मैं केवल सात्विक भोजन ही करूंगा ताकि वह मेरे मन को शांत रखे. I will avoid junk food. When I chant Om four times, I make sure that I will hear only what is good for my ears. मैं अपने आप से वादा करता हूँ कि मैं केवल अच्छी और उपयोगी बातें ही सुनूंगा. हमारे बापू गांधी जी ने भी कहा है कि बुरा ना बोलो, ना देखो और ना सुनो. When I chant fifth time Om, I want myself to do the things with only pure intentions. When I chant sixth time, I make a promise that I will choose to believe only good and positive place daily. When I chant 7 times Om, I pray to God for regular, complete and comfortable bowel movements. कई बार हम खाना खाते समय खाने से ज्यादा ध्यान टीवी या मोबाइल पर देते हैं। उस समय अन्न के साथ साथ हम बाकी विचार भी ग्रहण कर लेते हैं। कहते हैं ना, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, तो क्यों ना भोजन शुद्ध चित्त से खाया जाए। When I chant 8 times Om, I promise myself that I seek God's blessing for healthy and comfortable urination. When I chant 9 times Om, I make an auto suggestion that I will carry out good works in my hands. और इसका सबसे बड़ा उदाहरण है EOHO, यानी कि each one helper, जिसे हम अपने स्कूल में भी फॉलो करते हैं। When I chant Om 10th time, I advise myself that I will speak politely and wisely and think before speaking. तोल मोल कर बोलो, जैसे धनुष से निकला तीर कभी वापिस नहीं आता, वैसे ही मुंह से निकले शब्द भी कभी वापिस नहीं लिए जा सकते। When I chant 11 times Om, I assure myself to eat good thoughts and good habits. And in 12th time Om, I make an auto suggestion that I will examine pure and bad habits and bad thoughts. It means letting go to toxins, stress, or tension that you may be holding inside. When we chant Om 13 times, we pray God for a healthy and well-functioning digestive system. When I chant Om 15th time, I prepare myself to create good thoughts by using my brain. हमारे डायरेक्टर सर हमें समझाते हैं कि जो भी काम करो वह 3H टीम के साथ करो। पर क्या आपको पता है कि ये 3H क्या है? This is the coordination between our head, heart and hand. When we chant Om 16th time, we make an automation that we will grow physically well. We make a promise to take care of our body by taking good nutritious food, doing exercise, taking rest, by adopting healthy habits. When I chant 17 times Om, I pray to God to make me capable to work actively with great enthusiasm. It would make me more energetic and use this energy in good and positive acts. When I chant 18 times Om, I pray to God to make me mentally sound. I could think and feel positive all the time. In 19 times Om, I ensure myself to do intellectual alert. I could understand the situation and able to analyze and respond accordingly. When I chant on 20th time, I pray to God to bless me with deep inner happiness and joy. I feel close to God, full of gratitude and love for everyone. I chant on 21st time, I pray to God to prepare my mind to serve only God with unwavering faith and devotion. अर्थात हम अपने मन के मालिक हों, हमारा मन सदैव ईश्वर से जुड़ा रहे और शांत रहे, बिना किसी शक के, बिना किसी डर के।
Nisha, as you can see this model, do you know about this?
Yes, I know about this model. This model represents the 5 koshas of the human body. These are the 5 layers of the human existence, ranging from the physical to the spiritual, according to Hindu philosophy. Arpan, can you tell us about the first kosha?
Yes, I can tell about the first kosha. The first kosha is Annamaya kosha, food sheath, the physical tangible body that is nourished by food. Do you know about the second kosha?
Yes, I know about the second kosha, that is the Pranamaya kosha, also known as vital sheath, the energetic body which includes the breath and vital life force or pran.
The third kosha is Manomaya kosha, mental sheath, the sheath of the mind which encompasses thoughts, emotions and feelings.
आइए अब हम चौथे कोश के बारे में जानेंगे। इसे विज्ञानमय कोश कहा जाता है। इसे बुद्धि और समझ का आवरण भी कहा जाता है। यह वह हिस्सा है जो हमें सोचने, समझने और सही गलत पहचानने की शक्ति देता है। यह हमारी सामान्य इंद्रियों से परे होता है और हमें सही निर्णय लेने में मदद करता है।
The fifth kosha is Anandamaya kosha, also known as bliss sheath, the deepest, most subtle sheath considered the sheath of bliss and pure consciousness, where the person gets Sat Chit Anand, means existence, consciousness and bliss.
Isn't it a really interesting topic?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Om is not just outside us, it also lives within our breath, our heart and our soul. By practicing Om with these 21 auto suggestions, we can purify our thoughts and develop good habits. So friends, let's make Om chanting a part of our daily routine. Om
शांति